This just in, word of another coronavirus death in just the past 30 minutes. A person in their 90s at an assisted living center in Sacramento County has died. That person did have underlying health issues as well. KPIX 5's Devin Fehely is in San Jose with the changes at senior centers all across the Bay Area.
The outbreak of coronavirus in the state of Washington has been a case study on just how devastating and deadly this disease can be when it hits a senior community or a nursing home. And people in that vulnerable population, age 60 and above with pre-existing health conditions, are now grappling with how much do their lives need to change in order to keep themselves safe.
Very concerned. I'm trying to do my part.
At 93, Virginia Rolls lives in San Jose's senior community, The Villages. She still drives and uses a walker to get around and says it's just common sense for people of her age to avoid large public gatherings during the outbreak.
I don't think we should. We, should be careful. We can't leave it up to somebody else.
Senior centers and communities across Santa Clara County are weighing tough new measures as the virus spreads. They've already canceled in-person lunch programs, exercise classes, activities, and community meetings.
I was a little surprised when I started seeing meetings canceled. Then I started watching the news a little more intensely, and then I appreciate the fact that we were preemptive on the meeting cancellation.
The Villages announced its staff would step up cleaning and disinfecting common areas. But even as more and more events have been canceled, some seniors expressed surprise over outings that were allowed to continue, including a charter bus trip to Point Reyes, north of San Francisco, on Monday.
There was a lady in the back of the bus that was doing a lot of coughing. It made me feel uneasy.
Evidence of an expanding crisis and an evolving response. Public health officials say it's not clear when they'll be able to roll back some of these restrictions, but there is a feeling that the situation is likely to get worse before it gets better. In San Jose, Devin Fehely, KPIX 5.